Hello, what's up, aking mga karanasan? So, nandito ako sa Family Mart again. So, bibili tayo ng kainin. Okay. Try ko. Pagkaroon mo ay my always one dry creamy Korean cheese ramen. 13 with odeng and king crab. Yeah. Um, also, I will buy my sugar. So, yun na nga ang istorya. Dito ulit tayo sa Family Mart. May ito. So, this is my dreams always. Lord, shout out na si Yoshida Pepsi. So, naisip ko na lang malagyan ng breakfast. So, ito ang aking breakfast for today. Only 14.4. See how that's for you. Now we are training our cake. So, this is our food. This is the Korean rice soup. It's very creamy. So, later we will eat that. So I'm eating creamy Korean noodles, of course, with Pepsi. I always do that. Happy eating, everybody. So like what I said, I'm eating my creamy Korean noodles with this, with that, and with I eat it with my favorite Pepsi. Okay, so yeah, no, not every day. Every time meron akong meron akong chance kumain. So, this is from the news. Okay, so let's eat. Mm. Sabi nakakalala ko, I always eating here snack. But it's okay because I do this, uh, not always, I just do this once a month, twice a month. As always. And the baby, you can do every day. I just do different sa month. So, twice a month. But for now, this my this is my first one. See how clean is that. So, basically talagang napakasarap. So, this is one of my favorite Korean noodles here in Malaysia. Always I eat here when I see Family Mart everywhere I go. Once I see Family Mart, I always eat from Family Mart and this is the one that I always choose. Ang laki ng pinipili. Yan, pag pinapart natin sa Pepsi para naisip ko, i-rides yung kinain ko. Okay? So, let's enjoy eating. Bye-bye for now. This is what I like in traveling. I can discover so many foods na nag-exist na gusto ko pala siya. Because in the Philippines, you'll never find this one. Maybe you can find Korean noodles, but not as tasty as this. Or meron mas masarap pa, hindi natin alam. Kaya lang, gawin lang dito, experience lang, and you discover something. Hmm. Alam mo yun, yung gusto mo pang so, not only this, syempre, I discover so many things, so many places that I want to go. Bukod sa pagkain, syempre, places, it's everything. Nature, new place, new adventure. So, that's why I like traveling. So, that's why I travel. Yeah. So, enjoy eating everyone. Bye. It's true. I almost finished. It's very good and it's tasty, but super spicy.